A very good morning, students. Today I will teach you the HTML. This is for the class 7th. In my previous video, I have told you about this language. In this video, I will give you the example of tags. Look at here. First of all, introduction. Hypertext markup language is developed by Team Bemister around 1980. It is not a programming language, it is a markup language. It is used to create a web pages along with CSS and JavaScript. बेसिकली HTML लैंग्वेज का यूज़ वेब पेज बनाने के लिए किया जाता है, जिसको 1980 में टीम बेमिस्टर ने डेवलप किया था. नाउ यू कैन सी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ HTML प्रोग्राम. In my previous video, I have already told about this tag. These are usually used for create the HTML program. HTML is the starting tag or indicate that this web page is written in HTML. Second is title tag contains the web page title. You can give the title any, like your name is also a title. Head tag contains information about the web. Body tag contains the content of the web page. जो भी आपको लिखना है वो आप body के अंदर लिख सकते हैं. And this is the last is HTML mark with the end slash. So this is the ending of the web page. Now you can see here there are so many HTML tags like heading, paragraph, bold, italic, underline. So these all are the different tags. First tag is heading tag. What do you mean by heading? Any document start with a heading. We can use different size of heading tag. HTML also has 6 level of heading, H1 to H6. Look at here in the example. You can see here this is the starting tag, head tag, title, heading. Because it is a program of heading, so it is a heading tag. Now body. In body you can see there are 4 heading 1 to heading 4. There is the output of this program. In first number heading their size is different. In next heading 2 size is less than. So like this heading are changes one by one. So this is the heading tag. Next is paragraph tag. It is short form is P. Offer a way to structure we text in different paragraph. Each paragraph of tag should go in the between of opening P and the closing P with slash tag. So this is the paragraph tag. You can see the example of this paragraph tag. P first paragraph. P are closed now. Next P is second paragraph and next P is third paragraph. So in a simple program you can use multiple paragraph. Here you can see the first paragraph, after that second paragraph line is changed and then third paragraph line is different. Bold tag. Bold tag means suppose you want to make your text darker. So you can use this tag. Here the example of bold tag. Like I have written and this is bold. So you can see in the output this is bold text is darker than rest of the text. Next is italic tag. Suppose you want to make your text stylish. In simple language you can say that टेढ़ा मेढ़ा अगर आपको किसी भी टेक्स्ट को करना है तो you can use this I tag, italic. You can see this is the output of this program. I. In I tag you have written some text. So here you can see the text is different design. This is the italic tag. Next is underline tag. Suppose you want to make the underline of anything, you can use this underline tag. Next is center tag. Suppose आपको किसी भी चीज को सेंटर में रखना है, जैसे हम कॉपी के अंदर कभी भी चैप्टर का नाम लिखते हैं तो वो सेंटर में रखना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए हम सेंटर टैग यूज कर सकते हैं HTML के अंदर. यू कैन सी हियर output of center tag. Next is TT tag. TT was used to making the keyboard consider the key BP element. For variable consider the variable element. You can see here the example of this paragraph and TT. Pre tag. You can see here Superscript is basically used in science. Suppose you want to like this. आपको कोई वर्ड ऊपर की तरफ रखना है, जैसे दिस इज और कुछ वर्ड को ऊपर रख दिया, नेक्स्ट टेक्स्ट, और इसी तरह से सब स्क्रिप्ट में नीचे की तरफ रखा जाता है। जैसे साइंस के फॉर्मूले होते हैं जिसमें आपको इसकी जरूरत पड़ सकती है। नेक्स्ट इज एंकर टैग। ए टैग डिफाइंस ए हाइपरलिंक। अगर आपको अपनी फाइल के साथ किसी लिंक को टैग करना है तो यू कैन यूज दिस एंकर टैग like this visitand.com because it is a tag to connecting any file or any website. Break tag is used to line changes or same as enter key. You can see this lines then break in a text, मतलब नई लाइन में एंटर कराने के लिए आप BR का यूज कर सकते हैं। Horizontal tag, HR tag defines a thematic break in HTML page. Mark you tag is very interesting tag. You can see here online website. आपने ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट में देखा होगा कि कभी कभी कुछ पिक्चर चलती हुई आती है सामने से। जैसे हमने कोई वेबसाइट खोलते हैं तो कुछ पिक्चर वहां से चलती हुई जाती है। सो मार्क यू टैग इज यूज फॉर दैट। Here it is not possible, but you can see is online websites. Now list are two types, ordered list and unordered list. You can also create the list in your web page. Suppose I want to make a list of these coffee, tea, milk. So you can this bulleted list because there are ordered list because there are number 1, 2, 3. But if you want to bulleted list, you can list unordered list. So this is the unordered. You can see here unordered because there are the bullets, coffee, tea, milk. There is no requirement of numbering. Favicon tag is used to head section and it is a unpair. Example of favicon. You can see this. You can connect any picture through your computer system. Refresh, redirect. So these all are the tag. Form. Suppose you want to make a form, so you can use this HTML language. Suppose you want to make a school registration form, so you can use this program. So thank you to watching this video. In this video I have not given you the quiz time because in my previous video I have already given. So listen it carefully and try to understand more about HTML. Thank you to watching this video.